Well, hey y'all, welcome to Throttle Power. There's always talk in the model car community, what does Hobby Lobby carry? They got model kits. I always hear that this Hobby Lobby's got some, that Hobby Lobby doesn't have anything. What's going on with Hobby Lobby and model kits? What's their inventory look like? Well, we're going to get the cameras turned around here in a moment and take a look at a couple Hobby Lobbies in Kentucky, and we're even going to look at a couple Hobby Lobbies in Arizona. Now, how are we going to do that? Well, I got with my old buddy, Cold Coffee Productions? No. Luka Cee over in Arizona. There's this channel right here. Luka Cee's going to do a couple Hobby Lobbies in Arizona, show you what he's got there. So after you get done watching this video, go check out Luka's video, see what they've got in Arizona. And we're going to get the camera turned around and go to a couple Hobby Lobbies here in Kentucky and see what they've got. Hobby Lobby number 1. This is going to be pretty fun doing this experiment, seeing how different these Hobby Lobbies are. Let's see, let's start off with the semis here. You gotta dig through and you never know what you find behind. There's a cool one. They got a good selection of semis, to be honest with you. The display cases, they got some nice little display cases there. Selection of 64 scale cars. Looks like some die cast you can put together. A few snap kits. Like a nice selection. Foose and Pala. They just happened to be having a sale when I was there. That kind of shows the aisle a little bit more. Let's see what's behind our back here. I want to show you the supplies. They got a nice little rack of evergreen plastic. There's some tubing. The paint rack. A lot of paints. It's a great place for someone to get started on building models. Air compressors. Of course, some more stuff to put the models together. Your glue and X-Acto knives. There's some Gundams. Nice Gundam selection. Airplanes. A couple tanks. Some ships. Oh, and also while I was there, it was stock day. They had their stock coming in and were stocking the shelves. So all this stuff here that was in this cart on another aisle that I found was going to go up on the shelves. So the shelves that I just showed you, these models still need to go up. There's some nice models in these carts. I was going to mess with you guys and say those were my 2 carts of everything I was buying, but no, those carts were sitting there ready for someone to put the models up on the shelves. That Warthog airplane, that's pretty cool. I need to build an airplane. Have you car guys done an airplane? I know some of you guys do airplanes. A little bonus footage I wanted to show you is if you're there, don't forget they got a nice little aisle of rockets and some greenery. I wanted to show you this here real quick, what they have in rockets. So on my way out, I found this. A little island there in the aisle. Had some more kits. There's that Foose and Pala again. Now Hobby Lobby number 2. Let's go in this one and check them out. Yeah, let's start off. Was that big Firebird kit there at the other Hobby Lobby? I can't remember. There's some motorcycles down there. There's the semis. There's the big V8. Now I'm digging to see if there's anything behind these like we did at the first one. You always got to dig. You always got to move a few. Oh, there's something. see what's behind these kits here. You never know. I like digging, and sometimes it's like looking for a treasure. You never know what you're going to find behind another kit. And I know none of you guys have ever done this, but has anyone ever gone into a store and, oh, I want to get this kit, but I'm going to come back and get it, and you kind of hide it behind something else? Yeah, I know none of you guys have done that. There's some cool kits there. Some nice pickups. There's those die casts you put together. So this is Hobby Lobby number 2, and so far it's looking about the same. Oh, that 29 Roadster, what a great kit. One of my all-time favorite kits. We're going to do some digging here. They didn't have that Roadster at the other Hobby Lobby. They had a slot for it, though. It was just sold out. And of course, this Hobby Lobby has a sale, too. Some nice airplanes. Some more ships. Looks like about the same ones from the other one. A couple tanks, airplanes, Gundams. I'm going to show you the supplies here. That same evergreen rack, same rack for the tubing. Looks like the same supplies. So this is the second Hobby Lobby in Kentucky that I've gone to. And again, guys, we're going to, after this video, go over to the Luka Cee Channel and check his video out, and he is going to show you the Hobby Lobby, or a couple Hobby Lobbies in Arizona, several states away. We're going to see how the same they are. I'm going to give you a little close-up on some 64 scale cars. I'll tell you, they've come a long way with these 64 scale cars. From packaging to what they offer, there's some cool stuff. That Super Bee was cool. Time for some more digging. I'm going to find a treasure. Never know what you find when you're digging. That Firebird kit's nice. That Chevelle kit's nice too. And the Nova, the old Pro. How many times you've built that Nova kit, the old Pro? That old Pro's been around for a long time. Kind of an overall view. The little bonus footage, like at the first Hobby Lobby, show you the rockets real quick and the greenery. Let me know in the comments below if you have a Hobby Lobby, if you've ever been to a Hobby Lobby, if your Hobby Lobby looks like these. And check out Luka Cee's channel to see his Hobby Lobbies in Arizona.